Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. This is my coffee area, and whenever there's coffee involved, there is a little bit of spills. Thanks to this awesome silicone mat from famous Rhino, the spills are alleviated, my coffee machines are protected, and I can easily clean up. This silicone mat is a 28 by 20 size. So what you saw me holding is just a piece of it, because it comes with instructions on how to cut the mat and adjust it to any space that you need. What I really love is that you feel a silicone mat, you really can't tell how durable it is. This one is the real deal. This mat is heavy duty and really durable. The mat does not move once it's under any type of appliance, and it's heat proof as well as spill proof. So nothing is going to seep through this mat. I really appreciated that they gave really clear instructions how to cut it so I can place it under my different machines around my coffee area. The best part is that it is super easy to clean. All you need is a cloth and even just some water or a little bit of cleaner, and you can easily clean up and wipe off any kind of spills. If you know you're looking for something that's going to protect your surfaces, but you're really not sure of the size, or if you want to be able to use one big size from multiple spaces, this is the way to go. This mat is so easy to cut, easy to place onto your surfaces, and it will protect everything and make for an easy cleanup. And that's my point of view.